before we start number one, I just wanted to give you some information about sales tax in different states. You need to understand that in each state, there's a different sales tax rate. In addition, even the counties have different sales tax rates. In North Carolina, the sales tax rate is 4.75%. That's the state sales tax. And then in Moore County, the sales tax is 2%. So that's the Moore County sales tax rate. When you take those two and add them together, 4.75% plus the 2%. Remember, when you're adding or subtracting decimals, you just bring the decimal down. We get 6.75%. So you're going to pay 6.75% in Moore County on goods. For example, let's say that you bought a pair of shorts or a shirt or a soccer ball. That's going to be taxed at a rate of 6.75%. What is interesting and a little different is that food, well, most food is only going to have the Moore County sales tax applied. Food, you don't apply the state sales tax. So if you look at your receipt when you go to the grocery store, you're going to see a 2% sales tax rate on the food. That's not all food, it's most foods. It doesn't include candy bars and soda and some of those processed foods. The processed foods are going to still get that 6.75% tax rate. So now that you have a little bit of an understanding of sales tax, let's take a look at number one. If the sales tax rate in Alabama is 4% and a $20 purchase is made, what is the sales tax? So let's start with that. What is the sales tax? We have a nice little picture of Alabama over here. The rate is 4%. We're going to start by figuring out A. We write down 4%, and we change the 4% to a decimal by removing the percent sign and moving the decimal twice to the left. Remember, percent to decimal, from 4 to 0.04, that number became smaller. So 4% is equal to 0.04, decimal 04. 4% of what? So it's 4% of the purchase price. And the purchase price, we spent $20. At this point, you're going to take your calculator and you're going to multiply 0.04 times $20. 0.04 times $20 is going to give you 80 cents. So I'm going to write that up here, the answer for A, 80 cents. 80 cents. Once you have that sales tax, use a different color for part B. You take your original $20 that you were going to spend, you have to add on the tax that you owe to the government, and in total you pay $20.80 for the item that was purchased.